Hello guys, welcome to the Start Coding. In C, we are seeing one of the interesting question here, interesting program as well as let's see here. For example, I want to print my name. Like usually, we will print by using printf. We will print. Here I'm here I'm printing start coding only. Let's see how we will print. Usually simple by using printf we will print this start coding. Let us assume I need to print multiple times here. I'm printing multiple times start coding. Let's see. Here I printed twice start coding. Let us assume I need to print 10 times means I can write 10 times printf. 100 times means we will write 100 times also, but that will take too much time. Let's see here without wasting time, we will reduce the time by using logics only. Let's see how we will print multiple times. Here I am declaring one variable, and by using per loop usually we will print easily multiple times. Like initially I am declaring I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, and I plus plus. Means here I am printing 10 times, 10 times start coding. Let's see. It is printed 10 times. Let's see, we will print one by one. Then we can easily identify new line I am taking. Start coding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it will it printed 10 times. Okay. By using a slash n means it will give the new line. Without for example 100 time is how we will count. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is difficult to count also. Easily we will do one thing. We will print the number also. Let's see here. You are seeing right, 100, 99, 97, 96, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it will give. Simply 10 means we can see here, seeing right, 1 to 10. It is giving the values also. By using a simple for loop, we can print multiple times our name. Whatever you want, you can print your name, something you want to print anything, you can print here by using for loop. Also here it is predefined. Predefined means by default we are giving, when we are compiling, when we are running, the output will directly it will give. But sometime we need to the give value at compile means runtime. Runtime we need to give means how we will do. Let's see. Runtime how we will give. Here I am declaring one variable. Here the letter size is only 50 only, means 50 letters only I will enter. So if you want more means you can give 100, means you can give 100 according to the range of the character. So here I am reading the value, enter name. Here I am giving, you can enter your name as well as some whatever you want you can enter. Scanf by using scanf percentage s and st. Here I am writing the name whatever runtime. Here I am giving the name here. Let's see, by printing also percentage s and comma st. Here I am printing. Let's see. So name whatever you want you can give. Start coding I am giving here. So I printed 10 times only. In program also I wrote 10 times. Here also I am printing 10 times, right? Here also I am printing 10 times. So I need space here. I need space here. Let's see. Start coding. Oh shit! It is giving only start only. Means after space whatever we are giving it is not printing, right? After space whatever we are giving here it is not printing. Like how can we do then? We need after space whatever we want we need. Let's try something like, let's try to print after that also. Let's see here, we'll try to print that as well as okay. Let's see here, name. So let's see, hope it will print. Yeah, successfully we printed. Yes, start coding. successfully we printed. By using this scanf, inside the scanf, by using these lines, we are successfully printed. After space, whatever we want, we printed successfully, we printed. Let's see, we have another one method also is there. Simple, by using gets, simply we can print after space what we have. Start coding, simply we can print. So by using, we have some different logics also is there. This is a simple things, we can scanf and gets. By using gets, simply we can print whatever we want. Whatever you want, you can give here some hello, like this. You can give whatever you want, you can give here. Welcome to start coding. Welcome to start coding. Whatever you want, you can give here, and but directly it will print. So according to the requirement, you can use scanf, gets. You can use for loop. Instead of for loop, we can use while also. Like that, we can print multiple logic. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you want to discuss any program, you can comment me. We will try to discuss those things also. Thank you so much.